This model kit review is of the F-15D Eagle, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Canopy. And here's some pictures of the finished model. And looks like a fairly decent model. Let's have a look at these sprues here. So here's our canopy. It's actually very well molded. These are all engraved panel lines. Looks like we have a space for the air brake that can be put in the up position. Here are the wheel wells, the lower wheel wells. Also engraved panel lines. Not really much in the way of flashing or mold lines anywhere. This is a typical Canopy quality. We don't have much in the way of rivet lines though. So look there. Here are our air intakes. Looking at decals, it's a fairly impressive set of decals there. They do seem to be warping just a little bit. Here are the wings. Again, recessed lines. Here's the underside. Here are our air intakes. All very well molded. You could cut the flaps out and then have them in down position if you wanted to. And here's the stabilizer. Looks like our nose here. Nose cone already attached. Here's the central fuel tank, and these are probably the parts of the air intakes. Wheel covers. Here's the air brake, which has really not much detail on the other side. It looks like we have two of these. So we have our exhaust here, and wheels. We have pylons. Here's the other exhaust. A duct for the entrance. Here's our ejection seat. These pieces will get glued together. Fair amount of detail there. Here are our missiles. We have two of those. And over here we have our cockpit with some really nice surface detail there. And here's our nose wheel and landing gear. Here's the additional landing gear. These are the vents or ducts for the air into the engines. Here we have several different options here for the instrument panels, depending on which version you want to build. And here's the other portion of the air intakes. Looks like parts of the engine here. So that's a fairly detailed kit. Let's have a look at our instructions here. First build the ejection seats and the cockpit. We put the air intakes together, depending on which version we want to build. And the nose gets put together with the nose wheel. The engines are put together and installed inside the fuselage. The wings are put together, and engines are then put together. You can have the engines open or closed. Then the wings and tail stabilizer put on the fuselage. Noses then put on, as well as the air brake. And then your air intakes. Main gears installed. Weapons are installed. And a hook. Lastly, the weapons are put on, and the canopy. And we have the painting and decal guide here. And then a parts listing, as well as the colors needed. So all in all, this is a very good quality model, and it should have a great result at the end.